Code, we're going to definitely need to be picked up here before we hit the end. Everybody's got a peek on. And for Slim, did you ever guess it would be going so good as this when we knew there was rain down here this morning? Enough to make mud pick up on the tires?
Yeah, this is going really good.
And little known how good it's going, it's leaving a nice bunch of straw for Wayne to bale.
Yeah, that's perfect if we're not getting plugged up and our losses are down. Not a big deal.
Yeah, not at all. Only problem is going to be this field's going to end too fast.
Oh,
I think Grady's is just as good though, so that'll be fun. I hate to be too optimistic, but it's been going pretty good the last couple days.
yeah. We took us a while to catch on to that corn setting, but hopefully that's what it is, why it's doing better.
Oh, I think it's the hot weather, the corn setting, and taking Sunday off and letting the lentils really crisp up.
Yep.
Well, I thought maybe we'd have to go to ground spraying all these things, all these lentils to get the sap to dry up. I think it does have the edge for drying up the sap in the stems quicker, but this is going pretty good too.
Yeah, I'm glad we got both sprayers just going and nailed them.
Yep. They combine so nice when they're really ready to combine, and they don't combine very friendly if they're not ready to go. Be able to trim up this quarter by nightfall, eh?
Yeah, I sure think so.
How many quarters is that today then?
4?
Be 5, eh? We had one done when we got there this morning, and there's 3 left on the lentil field, and then we got 2 done here, so.
Yep, I got perfectly empty and Grady was perfectly full. Is this gonna have me a load code or what? Not quite. Okay. I will stay in the truck. Swear this wheat has nicer color than that previous field.
Yeah, maybe it just might be the sunshine too.
Yeah, maybe. I know, the other field, it looked really kind of bland and dark, where this stuff has a nice yellow to it.
You know, I'd love to lift my reel, but you just can't with those bloody sprayer tracks, can you, Clayton? They're so low that you can't get them unless you run your reel on the bottom.
Yeah, they ruin all the fun.
And there's nice weight on those tracks, so you can't just lift them and miss them, so...
A nice crop of wheat. The 3X9 should be able to walk right with 5 of those John Deeres, like, and do the same amount of work.
Yeah. I think it might be important to get the hopper extensions on those girls, take them up to 520 bushels.
Yeah, definitely.
That'll probably get Grady gone, eh?
Yeah, and then some.
I didn't think we were quite this far along on this last night. We had 240 acres off it pretty near, didn't we?
Yeah, a couple more passes and we'll be done here.
The one downfall about this truck in Harvest being a black dash and all, it sure shows up the dust, eh?
Yeah, should get a good detail when we're done, eh?
I think we'll make it back to that slew grade there, for sure. And we're not up to 3/4 tanks yet, so...
Just covered my glass grade, so I could probably make it there and back again. Is this field narrow enough that you can jump to the other side, Justin, and I'll get you when you're full on the way back? I'm sure it's doable. You just wanting to get your cart filled plumb full, or what you thinking? Yeah, I'll let you go as long as possible, and then I'll be right full, and hopefully Grady will be here by then.
you guys think we'll be able to go 4 mile an hour in the canola we have this year?
Maybe, Clayton. 3.8, something like that, maybe. These crazy combines don't save canola very good. It'd be really nice if we could get our X9s in time for canola, but we'll see. We'll take it off of these ones too.
Pretty sure the X9s, Clayton, are supposed to come in September, so we're in the middle of August. It's not looking good. Kind of shaping up to be done September 2 or 4.
Yeah, as long as we think that blue cart though is not going to fall apart on us, I think it would do great on it too, and it'll pick up 3 X9s no problem.
Yeah, that's right. I wonder if having a third Super B is more important than a bigger grain cart. The first Super B, it waits to get its full load, and then the cycle begins. You know what I mean?
Okay, he's ready.
If I put that gasket right there, she'll stop her from the top here. No, I like to weld it and then grind it flat. So you need a grinder? Do you have it? Oh, you have it. Yeah, I think it's wang over. Yeah. Nice. We're grounded. If you want to hold it, I can tack it up top too. And not against water. Oh, one more of those, and that's where it was. That's water. Yeah.
That's why that broke, because that thing was a little bit over-centered tight.
She took the wiggle out of the wag.
Oh yeah. You don't want to wiggle it.